To get dynamic island notifications on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the Google Play Store on our device. Next step is to select the apps and or search, and then we need to find app called Dynamic Island. Look for this specific app right here, and then install it. When it's finished, click on Open, and here make sure that you allow any permissions that will pop up, otherwise it won't work. Then click on Enable right here and enable any permissions as I said. So we need to go to Accessibility, click on Downloaded Apps and select Dynamic Notch and make sure it's activated. Next is Notifications, and you need to do the same thing, select Dynamic Notch and enable notifications as well. Same for the calls. And lastly, a battery optimization. Now we can go home and our dynamic bar is set up. Now if you receive notifications, you can pay attention to your front camera. It should show up notifications in that small dynamic island. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.